At this time, normally the camera view comes up, but now, no. Pressing Goat Fly, then it pops up, but a lot of information is missing. Is it lagging because I have connected the receiver from the mic 2?
Home point updated. Home point updated.
Autobot Active Track Auto. Active Track. I see that when drawing around myself, the icon for focus track shows enabled. Come on, I want to have a larger picture. I want to do it. Stop. Active track. Okay. Tap here. This time I get an explanation of the focus track and it actually says that it's enabled. Let's see how it works. Now the wheel expanded. I also tested that I could reduce it and expand it as I want after this one.